If you're seeing any of the following warning signs, it might mean your computer's been hacked. A slow your computer. An unusually hot computer. Unwanted software or browser toolbars. Strange activity on your social media accounts. Passwords that aren't working. Leaked your data. Missing money from your online accounts. Ransomware messages. Uploading from your internet connection. Running PowerShell without knowing you. Most of the time this will happening with crack download. You receive notification emails about sign-in attempts that you never made. Your device becomes slow, overheated, and laggy. You receive multiple pop-ups with alarming messages claiming that your device is infected with a virus. Browser windows, tabs, and apps on your device pop open on their own. Your place of work contacts you with a warning that the company fell victim to a data breach. You experienced unsuccessful login attempts with your accounts. Friends and coworkers tell you that they've received strange messages from you. Spam emails start to flood your inbox. Suspicious charges appear on your bank statements. New and unfamiliar extensions and add-ons show up on your browser. You keep getting redirected to unwanted websites while you try to surf the web.